Hello, welcome to Webify. Webify is a website builder, content management system. You can use it to create your entire website. We have many apps available. We have an affiliate system, we have a blog, business directory, classified directory, e-commerce systems, we have membership systems, we have music stores, real estate systems, and video gallery, photo gallery. We've got many different applications available that seamlessly integrate with your Webify installation. Basically, if you want to install an app, once you have the Webify CMS on your website, once you're using it, all you have to do is it's a one-click install process. And say you started out with the Webify homepage and you wanted to add a blog, you just find the blog app, click install, and then you have a blog available on your website. So it's that easy to add your store, your blog, your contact page, your business directory, or whatever kind of app you need. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how Webify works and how you can build your own website with it. I also think I should probably mention that yes, Webify is the idea behind Webify is that you would create your entire website with it, but you don't need to. If you already have a website that's run on WordPress or Joomla or your own custom website built in Dreamweaver, and you just want to add a single app to your website, you can certainly do that. You do not need to power your entire website with Webify. You can add a single app to your existing website. It doesn't matter what you use to power your website. So that's just something to remember. But what I'm going to actually show you is how to create a sample website. And we give away sample websites. Well, they're actually fully functional websites, but they are on our own subdomain. So you can choose your name and get a .webify.ws domain name. So this might be like Mike's shop.webify.ws or whatever you want to call your shop. This is a nice way for those of you who do not already have a website to get started. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need any sort of special skills to get set up and started. Not that installing Webify is actually very hard to do if you already have an existing website, but for those of you who do not have a website or anything at all, we will allow you to create your own subdomain account. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So what I'm going to just do here is set up a subdomain account really quickly. Sample.webify.ws is what this particular domain will be called. And once I've entered in once I've entered in the details that I'm happy with, I just click create my website. Now give it about 30 seconds to do its thing because it has to set up an account and then transfer the software over to your website. But it won't take very long. Alright, so now that you can see Webify has been set up, to log into your control panel, you're just going to click the button labeled thusly, and you will automatically see your control panel. If you can check out the address bar up here, we are at sample.webify.ws. And the first thing that you're probably going to want to do is watch the tutorial for how to get started using Webify. Click here to view your website. A very simple page will come up, and it's basically just a placeholder for you to start creating your own website. If I want to edit this page, I would click the My Pages section and then click this particular page. I could add some text of my own, whatever. I'm just going to copy and paste this text over so I don't have to type something out. And if I want to upload some photos, very easy. You can see on the right a photo has just been uploaded. If I want to add it to my document, I just drag and drop it over. If I want to resize it, I just drag the handles. And if I save this entry and go over to my Webify web page now, refresh the page, you can see that this page is starting to take a little bit of shape and form. Say I want to change the themes, I go to the Themes option, and I can set a different theme. Now we're using the default Webify homepage theme. If I want to get more themes, add more themes to my available theme library, I have a couple of options. I can design my own theme by clicking this link here and launching Theme Designer. This will take you to Lubith, our partner, which allows you to visually create your own themes in real time. The account is free. You just have to create an account to begin using the editor, and the editor will look something like this. This is a theme called Savannah that I've been working on, and you can move around your logo. You can change your logo image here really easily, really quickly to whatever you might want it to be. Just going to demonstrate really quickly here because I've got another video tutorial up which will teach you how to use the editor, and I don't want to waste too much time showing how to use the editor, but as you can see, it's really easy to visually edit your design in real time, and then when you're ready to publish the theme, all you would have to do is click download. Give Lubith 10 or 20 seconds to process the request. The theme will start downloading down here. Go back to your Webify control panel and click Import Theme. Choose the file and click Import Theme. Just let it upload. Once done, it will ask you to activate the theme, which you can click on, and then click the check mark by the theme to make that the active theme. When you go back to refresh your Webify website, you can see our new theme is now in place. Exactly how it looks in the theme designer, it will look on your Webify website. So it's a very, very easy way to create a theme with very minimal design knowledge required. Now, if you don't even want to create your own theme yourself, you can browse our theme library from the themes page. Just click Get More Themes, and we already have quite a few lovely themes available for you to choose from. Some of these are free, some of them will be premium, but none of them will be very expensive. So all you need to do is make a purchase, download the theme, and then upload it in the exact same way that I just showed you guys from this Import a Theme section. If you want to, by default, you will have the Homepage app, and as you can see, there's only the option to create pages in the Homepage app. But if you want to, for example, add a blog to your website, very easy to do. Just click the Add Apps option. And I apologize for the speed of our server right now. I think that our web host is doing some updates to cPanel, so it's running a little bit slowly. Anyway, from the Add Apps page, you will see a list of all the different apps you can install to your website. When you find the one you want, just click Install App. Give it a moment. And when it's ready to go, it will let you know. And now what you will notice when you return to the main control panel of your Webify CMS is under your apps, you will now have a blog available. This is where we are right now in the home page. If we click here, you can see we've now switched to the blog area. The blog has many of the same features and shares much of the same control panel as the home page, but what you will notice as a difference is that the app panel now has a few options. So if I view my blog website, I have this one default post that gets automatically installed just as a placeholder. And if I want to add a new post, I would click New Post, type in the name for my new post. I can also add photos and assign categories, and I can choose if and how to display the post, if on the home page or priority ranking in a category or that sort of thing. When I'm done, I just click Save Entry, and the new post will now appear on my blog section. Alright, so you may have noticed that this theme is not using the Savannah theme, which we just imported. That is because each app can run a different theme if you want to. They can all share the same theme, or they can run a different theme. So what I've done is I've just set the Savannah theme to the blog. And now both blog and homepage will run the same theme. Now let's say that you want to link your blog and your homepage together. Let's go back to the homepage. So I'm going to the homepage now, visiting my website, and as you can see up at the top I have no links, but I'm going to add one really quickly. To do that, I just go to Header Links and I type in the URL to my blog. Actually, sorry, I give it a name, and then I type in the URL to my blog and I click Add Link. Refresh my page and the blog button will now appear where the design is specified for it to appear. I can also add a link to my home page, which will just be sample.webify.ws. I'm going to change the sort order here from the make the blog second in line and the home page first. And now I have a home page and my blog. And I just made a little mistake here. That's always fun in a demo. So the actual URL, I'm just going to make a quick adjustment. See what I did? I put HTTP twice here. That's not good. Just going to fix that. Now you can see, as it was supposed to show, when I want to click on my blog and go to my blog, I just click blog. If I want to go back to my home page, I click on the home page. For the Webify homepage, you'll see that this section right here is actually empty. You can adjust the content in this section by going to the HTML embedding section. And these are different sections of the website that you might want to put additional HTML code or text or JavaScript or ad boxes or whatever. So the specific, like up here, you can put above the header, within the header, below the header. You can put text into the side navigation panel, text in HTML. You can also put text into the footer. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little bit of HTML with a little bit of CSS. And you guys don't need to use CSS if you don't want to. I just do for my styling. Now if I refresh my page, you can see I have my text here. Alright, so that's how you create pages, that's how you add elements to your page, that's how you link up different apps. And that's how you get started using your Webify powered website. And I hope you guys found this demo useful. There are sure a lot more features to go over, but I will not be talking about them in this video because it will be too long, way too long. I've created quite a few other videos, and if you guys check out the YouTube channel by visiting our homepage, you will see links to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, Twitter feed. If you click our YouTube channel, you will be able to browse all the other tutorial videos that we have uploaded and learn how to use Webify even better. So, that is it.